And now it's time for the weather.
Let's hope it's some good news. Hello, Johnny here with the weather. And if, like me, you've got a weekend away planned, you'll be pleased to see we got clear skies. Look at that. Beautiful. On Friday afternoon, there'll be some clouds, but that's okay. That's just a travel day. Then on Saturday morning, there'll be grey clouds, but I'm sure come Saturday afternoon when it becomes rain, followed by... Oh, bugger off, will ya? Thunderbolts and all? That's half my weekend, that is. Well, I'm sure things will pick up on Sunday when there'll be... What's that?
A hurricane.
Hurricanes? Bloody hellfire! Maybe if you have a weekend away planned, it'd be best to avoid the Midlands. Maybe go down south. Or north. Scotland? Wales? Ireland? Bastards. Well, that's been my weather report, and my weekend is well and truly full.
Thanks, Johnny. Coming up next, GM Crops campaigners say we're vegetables too.